Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Most people assume that stiffness, weakness, and balance issues are just part of getting older. Something you simply have to accept. But here's the good news, your body doesn't age as helplessly as you might think. In fact, modern research shows that with the right kind of movement, you can actually improve how your muscles, joints, and nervous system function, even after 50. Welcome to Health Fact 10M, where we break down real, science-based health strategies in a simple, practical way. Before we jump into the exercises, let's quickly understand what's happening inside your body. As we age, there's a natural process called sarcopenia, a gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. It can start as early as your 30s but becomes more noticeable after 50. The important thing to know is this. This decline isn't just normal aging anymore, it's something we can actively work against. Research consistently shows that resistance-based movements, yes, even simple bodyweight exercises, can help rebuild strength, improve balance, and support overall mobility. Think of your body like a machine that needs regular use. When you stop moving it properly, things stiffen up. But when you move it with purpose, it responds, adapts, and improves. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple exercises you can do at home, no gym needed, that can help restore strength, stability, and confidence in your daily life. And make sure you stick around until the end, because I'll also share one common mistake many people over 50 make that actually speeds up physical decline instead of slowing it down. Exercise 1. Supported hang. This movement focuses on your shoulders, upper back, and grip strength. Now, why is grip strength important? Because it's closely linked to your overall physical health. It affects everyday tasks like carrying groceries, opening jars, and even maintaining balance if you stumble. How to do it? Stand under a sturdy surface like a door frame or bar. Reach up and hold it with both hands. Keep your feet firmly on the ground. Slightly bend your knees so a small portion of your body weight shifts into your arms. Hold this position for about 20 to 30 seconds while breathing calmly. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Keep your shoulders relaxed and pulled slightly down, not shrugged up toward your ears. Exercise 2. Assisted deep squat. This exercise improves mobility in your hips, knees, and ankles. Flexible ankles and hips are essential for balance. When these joints get stiff, your risk of falling increases. How to do it? Hold onto a chair or support in front of you. Place your feet shoulder-width apart, with toes slightly turned out. Slowly lower your body into a squat while keeping your heels on the ground. Go as low as you comfortably can. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then stand back up slowly. Repeat 5 times. If your heels lift, place a small towel underneath them. Exercise 3. Chair sit to stand. This is one of the most practical exercises you can do because it mimics a movement you perform every day. It strengthens your thighs, glutes, and core, all essential for stability and independence. How to do it? Sit near the edge of a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Lean slightly forward and stand up using your legs. Then slowly sit back down, taking about 3 to 4 seconds to lower yourself. Do 10 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets. Important, don't rush the sitting part. Lowering slowly is where a lot of the strength building happens. Exercise 4. Standing hip circles. This movement improves hip mobility and balance. Your hips play a key role in how stable you feel when walking or standing on uneven surfaces. How to do it? Stand behind a chair for support. Lift one knee and slowly draw a circle in the air, forward, outward, then back. Do 5 circles in one direction, then reverse. Switch legs and repeat. Move slowly and stay in control. This is about quality, not speed. Exercise 5. Wall plank. This is a gentle but effective way to strengthen your core without stressing your joints. Your core isn't just your abs, it includes muscles that support your spine and help maintain balance. How to do it? Stand facing a wall and place your hands on it at shoulder height. Step your feet back slightly so your body forms a straight line at an angle. Tighten your core gently and hold for 20 to 30 seconds while breathing normally. Repeat 3 times. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath during the hold. The common mistake to avoid. Here's something many people don't realize. Walking alone is not enough to maintain muscle strength after 50. Walking is excellent for your heart and overall activity, but it doesn't provide the resistance your muscles need to stay strong. To truly support your body, you need movements that challenge your muscles, just like the exercises we covered today. Think of it this way, walking keeps you moving, but resistance exercises help rebuild and maintain strength. The key to long-term strength and mobility isn't doing everything perfectly, it's staying consistent. Start small. Focus on proper form. and gradually make each exercise a little more challenging over time. Your body is incredibly adaptable, no matter your age. With the right approach, you can move better, feel stronger, and stay independent for years to come. Thanks for spending time with us today on Health Fact 10M.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.